My name is Marco Ruiz.
My name is Enrique Ruiz.
We're brothers from São Paulo, Brazil, and we have a dream. Since we were 6 years old, we've been playing tennis like almost every day. Our dad has a really strong passion for tennis, so he wanted us to start really young. When we got older, we used to practice as much as 7 to 8 hours a day.
And that was only on the court. We would also mentally and physically train ourselves outside of practice, lifting weights, running, visiting our nutritionist and psychologist. Tennis quickly became a way of life.
When we reached the age of 17, we started playing the professional league around Brazil. It was extremely competitive and made us practice even harder. That was when we realized our dream. We want to someday play as a professional doubles team representing Brazil. Playing against other professionals in these tournaments made us better players, and we know we're capable to compete. But our story doesn't end here.
And the opportunity came along for us to attend an American university and play the sport we love. So here we are at Harding. Marco came just first to play, and 2 years later I came to here. Coming to America just made our dream come much closer to reality. We have conquered tournaments in Brazil, we have conquered college tennis, and now we are ready to conquer professional tennis.
We want to someday be the best doubles team in the world. People may say we're crazy, but we're very determined. All I have to say is keep an eye out for the Ruiz brothers.